Hello and welcome. We are now inside of Microsoft 365, and there are AI tools available to you that you can use in order to create content and use in your business. For example, if we go to Microsoft Clipchamp and we open up Clipchamp, depending on when you see this video, you'll typically see an element here that says create a video with AI. You'll also see an element here called text to speech. Now, in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to see an element that says Upgrade. If you click that element, what you're going to notice is that Clipchamp is a premium subscription on top of whatever subscription you already have. So in other words, if you currently have a Microsoft 365 subscription, you do have access to the free plan. You don't have access to the premium plan. You may want to click this link to see what's available in the free plan for Microsoft Clipchamp. And as of the recording of this video, you'll see the pricing. The pricing may change by the time you see this video. However, the elements between free and premium are going to remain the same. So you're going to also see pages in Microsoft Clipchamp. In particular, you're going to see that one of the featured elements is AI video editing, and that AI video editing has several elements. And technically, some of these elements are not necessarily AI video editing, but just uses of AI here in this area. So we will begin to examine some of these features in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.